In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any image from Pinterest on PC. This is a quick and simple process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds. If you found an image in your Pinterest feed that you want to save to your computer, Pinterest gives you a built-in option to download it directly from the pin's detailed view. To get started, open Pinterest on your PC and look through your feed until you find the image you want to download. Once you've found it, click on that image to open the pin. This is important because you need to be in the full pin view, not just looking at it in the scrolling feed. Opening the pin gives you access to additional options that aren't always visible right away. After the image opens, move your attention to the upper right area above the image. There you should see the three-dot menu icon. This is the More Options menu, and it contains extra actions you can take for that pin. Go ahead and click the three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Download Image. Click on that option and Pinterest will begin downloading the image to your computer. In most cases, the file will be saved automatically to your default downloads folder, unless your browser is set up to ask you where to save files each time. If you don't see the image right away after downloading, open your downloads folder and check there first. That's typically where the file will be stored. You can also look at your browser's download bar or downloads list to confirm that the image finished saving successfully. One helpful tip is to make sure you're clicking the actual pin and not an external website link attached to it. If Pinterest redirects you somewhere else, simply go back and open the pin itself again so you can access the three-dot menu and the download option. And that's all there is to it. Open the pin, click the three dots, choose Download Image, and the file will save to your PC. It's a straightforward method that works well when the download option is available on Pinterest. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to download any image from Pinterest on PC.